Right there, see her? She's hot. Yeah. That's Kristen.
Hey, those are my body.
Fritzy. That's her. Oh. Okay, ready? Do something? Do something awesome. Do a jump or something.
I'm a rhino.
Wait, keep it on there. I'm going to close up. She's a rhino.
Damn it.
Oh, her rhino fell off. Ooh, look at her jump. Because you told me to. She sucks at this. Here, okay, we bounce. Kristen, bounce, 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 damn you! When everyone else is falling, oh! Whoa! Whoa! Ow! Okay, guys, now someone else take the camera so I can do a trick. You laugh?
We should play Clover. You should be the monster.
Okay, after I do my trick, we're going to play Cloverfield, okay? Okay, Cloverfield.
Okay, well, I don't know what I'm going to do.
Bounce.
That's not Chris.
It's really hard. It's really hard to go. I think it's jumping.
Let's play Cloverfield.